Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. This is Arnold that is the TV. To this video I will show you how to install a huge number of lights. See you guys.
And now, the installation of lighting fixture. As you can see, the wire is on the ceiling. This is teamwork forces. Others assembled the light. Another one is marking the location of the lamp. And others install the lamp. This area has a maximum lights of 40 units by 72 watts per light, double fluorescent LED lights. And this is the dining area for all the laborers, like me. Now, all the light frame are installed. The connection and the tube is only the balance. This another place has also a maximum lights of 30 units of lamp by 72 watts double tube. Now, start connecting the power and the tube LED lamp. Each LED fluorescent tube has a 36 watts. And now, everything has done and ready for testing.
All up, okay?
This dining area has 3 circuits. One is red, second is yellow, and third is buell.
Brown. Other side. Wow. Madam Singh, wow, my work is done. Very nice. Madam Singh. See. Natak jada. See?
And that's all done. Thank you for the labor and the electrician who participate and make this work successful.
Nay tat karo nay.
And this is
Mando,
the
mando.
second part of dining area.
Okay.
Work
On,
also
on.
done.
On, switch on, pura.
And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something. Please do subscribe, like, and share. Arnold the Dessert TV. Thank you.